Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create contact groups in Gmail. You can create an email list or contact list or groups in Gmail. How you can do this, I will show you. I will show you in my desktop, but if you are using same step, if you are using Android or iPhone, you can use the same step. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Really, if you guys really like this video, please subscribe me. When you subscribe, I will motivate and create good content for you, so please subscribe my channel. So let's start with the video. So here I have Gmail. Okay, this is my Gmail account. So I'm going to show you how you can create contact group. So first log in with the Gmail. Now go to this dot option and go to the contacts. Okay, in contacts here you will have your all contacts. I have many contacts, you can see. Now you have to in order to create contacts group, you need to create labels. Okay, in labels folder, you can say labels folder one. In technical word, it's called labels. Create labels. So I just give name like contacts group, okay, and save it. You can see one group has been created here, label has been created here. Now you have to go in contacts and select contacts which you want to add on this group. Okay, I just select 4-5 contacts, 6-7 contacts, and now I'm going to click on this labels. So you can see I just created contacts group. Just click it and apply it. So when you go into the contacts group, now you can see 7 contacts has been added here. So it is, I just make group. Okay, it's called group or contact, you can say it's labels, anything, but you can use it as a group. Okay, so go back to the Gmail now, and when you compose the email and okay, so go to the to see whatever you want to add groups. I'm going to BCC, and here you can see the groups contacts group has been created and 7 contact has added here. Just select all this group you have selected. You can select anyone if you want and just insert it. You can see all contacts group, all email ID from groups has been applied here and insert here. So now you can send email to this group email. So that is how you can create groups contacts in contacts group in Gmail. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.